we have a lift gate right here that won't open. It's got a push button. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't beep, click, nothing. So we're tasked with trying to figure out how to get this open. I'm in the back seat right now. I don't know if this is gonna help, but there's a little door right here. Let's find out. Okay, the plug, because that's electronic. Well, let's just pull this out. All right, let's see if we're getting power and everything to it. It's just one wire in, oddly enough. Okay, so it's one wire. So it must be grounded. It just applies power and it unlocks. Like I said, let's see if we're getting power. Now, since we're assuming this thing is grounded, oh, I can't get in there. There. That should be the ground. Now, where does this connect to? Actually, it looks like all of it, so kind of just shove this in there. It's probably not the best setup, but I gotta get it. Actually, it might be better if I just do this. Let me go get a partner to see if they can push the button out there. Okay, since it's not getting power, we're gonna have to manually. There's a little latch somewhere. Oh, it's right here. Yep, there we go. Okay, let's push that up. I don't know if this is gonna get us anywhere, but now we got the fun task of just pulling down on this. You see, like the plastic. There they are. We'll just keep going around. Okay. These sides probably go in. There. I need two hands. Okay, so with this down, so I did just plug it back in, and because what I think is wrong is that button up top. So if you get this little wiring harness right here, okay, so unplug that, and then we'll just slide on this new one right here. And if I'm right, this should work. So here we go. Oh, look at that. Works perfect. Okay, to get this button out, it's very easy to install. I'll just show you in reverse because, just because. So here's your button. Your Phillips head screw goes on the left. So we'll just, we'll keep this up through here. And there's a little clip, so you slide the little, put that in there. And let me see, we'll match up the holes. There we go. Lock it in. And then the wiring harness for that is now hidden somewhere. I just gotta find it. Okay, so now that I found it, it's gonna slide right up here into the slot, locking it in. And this is gonna come out here to give it power. And we're gonna take this one Phillips head screw and then place it right here. Now we can shut this whole thing. So it's closed, and now, oh, here we go. That's it. All right, now to put this thing back together, again, you need two hands. When you set this side up first, make sure this stays down because it's got to go this, and this doesn't come down, it goes in like that. Hope that makes sense, but if it doesn't, I don't know what to tell you. This job's done. like, subscribe, and see you guys next time.